pretty happy about that. This is amazing. Uh, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this first. He's gonna put the bishop here, or is he gonna realize that his queen's hanging? That's alright. That's fine. Because I think I can also take a pawn. So I can do this, simultaneously attacking and defending. I'll just do this. Now I have 3 pieces out and his queen's being attacked. Contemplating, do I put the bishop on d2 with potentially trying to take this? The issue that I run into is he's just going to take the knight anyway. Then my bishop looks silly, and then I wasted time with the bishop. So I might just push this pawn and open up my other bishop instead. Okay, that's fair. I'll just come back and protect. Now I can pin. We go ahead and castle. Now, do I put this here first before doing anything with the bishop? Threatening this, threatening this. I think I do that because then afterwards I can take, protecting, and then take. I think that's a better move. And yeah, this is hanging, but that's a poisoned pawn. You don't want to take it. If you take it, just bring the rook over and it's pinned. I don't think he saw that move. If he does try to save like his bishop by going this way, I guess you don't want to go there. I would just take. And I'm still up with material. Cool, we'll do this. That's exactly what I was just talking about. You don't want to do that because now you're pinned. And it's not going to take very many moves before now you're in some trouble. Because if he doesn't castle and he does this, whoops. I'm gonna still take, because if he does this, that's check. Okay. Thinking of just trading off. And I can put my bishop there. My knight can go here. My rook can go here. If he does this, I can go here. Actually, that's better. That's even worse. That's literally what I want. I'm just gonna start threatening checkmate. Right, nice. Deepening further in. I want to review that game first. Very nice. I feel accomplished today already. That's a good start. Whoops. Yeah, so it just called that the good move. What did it actually want as the best? Kind of sick, disgusting thing that the AI or the engine have to say. Check. And then what? Don't know how much I like that. I'm okay with what I did more. It seems more practical. It was just a good game. I think he kind of raged a little bit there. It's good.